Gold has shown a very good bearish move, hitting the lows at 33.61. While silver has stayed flat, it has failed to stay below 38.80. What to expect now with the US session? Are we looking forward to a further correction in gold prices? As I've mentioned earlier in the day, that once it slides below 33.80, we are looking forward to the next move towards 33.60 levels, and in fact 33.40 is possible. Are we looking forward to that? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil, gold and silver? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. This is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US session. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Postal. Firstly, on the early charts, what is happening here? See, twin peak, then the drop, sideways movement, and I have mentioned earlier in the day that once it trades below this zone, you can expect a greater move. And what has happened? It is now looking downwards. Moving averages have crossed over, again a bearish sign here, and now what I am looking here is first at 33.48, then the next is at 33.40. Once it slides below now 33.58 levels, stay short for 33.48 and 33.40 levels. So now we have to wait for it to trade below 33.58.60 zone in order to confirm further bearishness. Moving averages crossing over certainly is a bearish sign, and now this is the zone it has to breach, that is 33.90. Only and only if you see gold trading above 33.90 and 3400 zone, you can say that it is reversing. See, the stochastic is oversold. MACD has seen a good sharp drop here. It can possibly try to retrace. As you can see, previously this zone was the lows. Now it is coming towards this lows. RSI is getting oversold here. So slightly gold is getting oversold on the early charts, which calls for it to deliver a couple of greener candles from here, which means that it can try to retrace a little. Now see, this is going to be difficult for gold to break past why, that is 33.90 and 3400. I don't see it breaking this zone. It may possibly try to retrace again towards 33.76, 33.80 zone, but the up move is going to be definitely difficult. Moving averages have converged here, not yet crossed over. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom here. Coming to 3-hour charts. Now on the 3-hour charts, important part here is the diminishing bearishness is what you can see for the last three candles. Also the preceding candles has closed in red, and yes, it is seen taking support from the 100 period average here. Now very important for gold to trade below 33.60.58. This is going to be the prime support below which definitely greater correction should follow here. Stochastic getting oversold here, while the MACD is bearish, the RSI is already at the bottom. Look at 4-hour chart, series of bearish candles. Now also notice here the last three candles, when you see increasing body size is what you can see, means increasing bearishness. Now once it trades below 33.60.58, you can expect a further bigger bearish candle. It is possible. See, if it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well. But notice when it was bullish, it was showing retracement and then the bullishness was increasing. This is a straight drop here, and the current candle is going to be pretty important, as any move below 33.58.50 should take it all the way towards 33.40 levels, and in fact 33.20 should be seen very soon. Stochastic getting oversold here. The MACD is trading with sharp divergence and bearishness. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily charts, what has happened? See, couple of sharp bullish candles hitting higher highs. Now this is important because see, I have mentioned this in my both the updates yesterday and today. See this move, first this rise, then this sideways move, then this rise. Now this is how it has been trading. This is the channel here. Now it is pretty important for gold to break below 33.50, 33.40. If it trades below 33.40 any point of time today, tomorrow, you can say that we are heading towards 33.20 and 3300 levels. In fact, it can breach that zone as well, because see, once it comes out of this channel, it is going to see greater bearishness here. The stochastic is trading bearish. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI has dropped as well. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, join my next mentorship batch. The next batch dates are announced. It is going to start now on 1st of September. Register yourself now. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spread and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first is where you should buy. Ideally now, buying entries only above 33.74.75 levels. If you see gold trading above 33.74.75, buy here, expect 33.80, 33.87.88, then 33.95 and 3400. I think it is going to be difficult for gold to break beyond 3400 levels now. But yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. As and how it breaches the resistances on the upside, the bullishness is going to increase. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 33.60.58 levels. Expect 33.50.48 as the first target zone, 33.40 as the next. Staying below 33.40, we have to stay short. We have to stay short for 33.32, 33.20 and then 3300 levels very, very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts. You can see consolidating here, neither willing to break beyond 39.20, 30 zone, nor willing to stay below 39 and 38.80. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned 38.80, 70 as the good support, and this one 39.10, $39 zone as the next support. Now it is almost at the verge of a notch above $39 level. So once you see the higher prices trading below 38.90, 39 now, you can take a sell, but I'll say 38.80, 38.70 is what you should watch out for. See, this is the support zone. It is created. Since then we have seen a rise. It is retraced towards this zone. Now I'll wait for a breakout here. If it now breaches below 38.80, 70, you can just stay short for 38.50, 40. Stochastic is bearish here. The MACD and RSI is also trading bearish here. Look at 2 hour charts. What's happening on the 2 hour charts? See this drop, retracement, drop, slight retracement. Now resistance here is getting stronger, and does any move beyond 39.20, 39.40 is a sign of reversal. Else what is happening? Connect the lows, connect the highs. You can find out it is heading towards 38.80, 70 zone, or in fact lower levels possibly. Stochastic rising. The MACD is trading with sharp divergence and bearishness looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Again, a bearish sign. Look at 3 hour charts. I've mentioned this in my update today morning. See the rise, then the drop was gradual. Then this rise is pretty gradual. So I will see this as the main trend, which means possibility of a down move is here. And thus, if it trades below 38.80, 70, this is going to be a pretty strong support zone here. Once it trades below 38.80, 70, stay short. Stochastic rising. MACD has crossed over for the sell. RSI is staying flat here, not in giving much information about the next move. Look at the 4 hour chart. See the bearishness here. The preceding candle bearishness has got diminished, but very, very important to note, lower highs are seen. Thus, if you see it is staying now below 39, when you see in fact the higher prices below 39, you can take a sell here. Expect 38.80, 38.70 first target zone, and if that is taken, 38.50, 38.40 the next. Below this, you can just stay short for 38 very, very soon. Let's wait for a breakout. At the same time, a move beyond 39.20 and 39.40 is a sign of reversal. Yes, I will say then it has taken the support and then it has bounced back. Possibility exists is strong. Stochastic flat. The MACD has crossed over for sell. And if you look at the RSI, this is dropped here. Coming to the daily. Now earlier I have mentioned, see this is important. See, diminishing bullishness, last week candle doji sign, and now it is reversing, and now it is pretty important for silver to break the lows of this candle, because see, today this candle means tomorrow this candle possible, which means if not today then tomorrow it might head towards $38 levels, but right now it is struggling here. The stochastic getting overbought, the MACD is still bullish, the RSI is overbought here. So considering, one thing is clear, bullishness is only if you see silver trading above 39.20, 39.40 zone. This zone, complete zone, is very, very critical. You can buy at 39.20, but it is going to definitely struggle to break beyond 39.30, 39.40 levels. Very, very strong resistance exists here, and hence it is going to be a riskier trade till 39.40 is not taken. Beyond 39.40 is stay bullish. We are heading towards 39.60, 39.85 and $40 zone for sure. On the downside, take a sell here at 38, or rather I will say 38.95, 39 levels itself. Expect 38.80, 38.70 as the first target level, 38.50, 38.40 as the next. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.